Welcome to this video, where we will explore recommendations for the installation of thermostatic expansion valves, commonly used in refrigeration systems. Let's begin by noting that the solenoid valve displayed on the screen plays a crucial role when it is necessary to stop the system. It closes the refrigerant passage to the thermostatic expansion valve, ensuring that, with no refrigerant flow, the low-pressure switch can turn off the equipment upon detecting insufficient pressure. This control strategy is employed to reduce the risk of damage during compressor startup. In a classic installation, the solenoid valve is placed as close as possible to the evaporator. The thermostatic expansion valve should always be positioned above the evaporator level to facilitate refrigerant flow into the evaporator. The expansion valve bulb is responsible for considering the superheating of the refrigerant at the evaporator outlet for control purposes. Superheating is the temperature increase of the refrigerant after it is completely vaporized. It is essential to position the sensor bulb of the thermostatic valve immediately at the evaporator outlet in a horizontal section and not place it at the bottom of the tube. The bulb should not be placed in vertical sections. Some manufacturers provide the following recommendations. For pipes with a diameter between 3/8 and 5/8 of an inch, place the bulb between 11 and 1 o'clock. For pipes with a diameter between 3/4 and 7/8 of an inch, place the bulb between 10 and 2 o'clock. For pipes with a diameter greater than 7/8 of an inch, place the bulb between 9 and 3 o'clock. Additionally, it is advisable to avoid placing the sensor bulb after the oil trap or siphon. In the case of large evaporators, the thermostatic expansion valve can be located inside the evaporator housing, with the solenoid valve close to the expansion element, emphasizing the importance of keeping the valve at the top. It is suggested to use thermal insulation material to protect the sensor bulb from hot air currents or high temperatures.